Yo, what is good, everybody? So today we're going to be opening up some Supreme mystery boxes. We have actually 4 packages right here. I think what we're going to do is start opening one of the bigger ones, and then in between that we'll open some of the smaller ones. So let's go ahead and crack this big box open. These are actually quite heavy, and before we actually start opening everything up, I am going to be selling the stuff that is in these boxes on an eBay account. There will be a link in the description, so make sure you go check that out. If you are at all interested in anything in these boxes, I'll be hooking you guys up with some deals, so make sure you go check that out at the end of the video, obviously. So we're just going to set everything else to the side. Okay, so we have the camera angled a little bit in a different angle so you guys can see what is inside the box. Halfway through this box, I'll probably open up one of the smaller items. Okay, so now before we go any further, I am doing a sneaker giveaway when I hit 3,000 subscribers. There will be a link in the description, and it will say like Mason Wayne's 3K sneaker giveaway or something like that. So make sure you go check that out if you want to win a free sneaker. But let's go ahead and dive right into this first box. Actually, let's set this thing on the ground for now. Okay, so the first item in the box, it looks like we have some Supreme boxers right here in the white colorway. I'm not sure, is there different sizes for these? Yes, there are different sizes. These are small, I think. Is that what that is? Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and let's see. I think it comes with, it comes with 4 of them. This is actually very nice. So if you want any of this underwear, trust me, I'm not going to put it on. I already have my own, so yeah, if you want any of this, make sure you go check that out. But so that's the first item in the box. I would say those are around like 40 or $35 to $40. Okay, so now let's see. We have got something wrapped up in paper. Okay, so it looks like it is Supreme skateboard wheels. I'll insert some B-roll of this. Okay, so here's the second item right here. Just got some classic Supreme skateboard wheels. Now let's move on to the next item. What is this? Oh, I actually have some of these. These are Supreme t-shirts. I guess I'm not going to open these up, actually, so let's go ahead and just keep on looking into this box. Wow, we have a lot of, like, undershirts and, like, that type of stuff. We've got some socks right here. Wow, another thing of socks. Okay. So, we're going to have socks for days. Or actually, you guys can have socks for days, because you guys can actually buy this from me. So we're almost done with this first box. Let's see. Alright, we have some more t-shirts there. That is the first box. I would set the box value around a little over $100, probably like around $130. Okay guys, so now let's move on to some of the smaller packages. Sounds like a Lego. It's probably not a Lego. Okay, so, I say we open this one first, and then we'll go with the other package. Alright guys, so we have this open, let's see. This, like, just recently dropped. And when I saw it on the website, I don't know, it didn't look like it was clear. Or when I saw pictures of this, and even the pictures of it on StockX, it's not clear like this. So I don't know what's up about that, but I'll probably hang on to this. I probably won't be selling this because stuff like this, oh look at that, little lid pops open. Yeah, so stuff like this usually increases in value over time. I think right now it's about $22, and I believe it retailed for around $8. So just looking into the future, this could be like a good I don't know, $50 profit, but it might take a while. So now with this out of the way, let's go ahead and see what is in this thing. Okay, so we have the Supreme ponchos. Now these just also recently dropped. It looks like we've got a bunch of them. Here, let's just get all these out. Okay guys, so yeah, basically just a bunch of Supreme ponchos. Yeah, is that what it says? Ballpark adult rain ponchos. One size fits most adults. Most. It has an adjustable hood. It's recyclable, so if you ever use one of these, make sure you recycle it. And it is made in the USA. It's always a good sign. And on the back, it says, "Be prepared for the storm." Okay, so now that we've got all the small packages out of the way, here, I just want to show you guys how much stuff we have so far. Okay guys, so there, right here is all the stuff that we have so far. We still have the big package left, so let's go ahead and open that thing up. Okay, so I forgot to say the value on this stuff over here. I think it's around $100 again, because it's a lot of the smaller stuff. Okay guys, so now let's go ahead and crack open this last box. Now while I'm opening this, I want to remind you guys I am selling this stuff, so make sure you go check that out in the link in the description. More socks. Okay. Looks like we're going to be having tons of socks today. Another thing of socks. Ooh. We got some boxers. That's what I like to see. And is that it? Really? We got some shirts. Oh wait. Actually, I forgot something. How could I forget this? There was something in the box. Alright. Oh, just more wheels. Okay. Okay guys, so yeah, that is basically all that was inside of that box. It looks like we have tons of this undershirts and socks and boxers. Okay, so the total value of everything that we got, I will say it's around $350 to $400 worth of stuff. Okay, so actually before we end the video, I want to open some of these up, and I think I'll put them like in a display or something just to show you guys like something that you can do if you like want to get a good deal on some of this stuff. Just some cool things that you can do with little stuff like this. Okay guys, so here we have the wheels right here, all 4 of them, and it actually did come with a sticker, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna play some B-roll of basically just different ideas of how you can set these things up around your room or just anything like that. And if you have a skateboard, you can obviously put these on there. That'd be very cool to do. Oh my gosh. That could have been bad. Okay, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it enough to give this video a like, I really appreciate that. And if you have made it this far into the video, you are really helping out my watch time for my channel, so thank you so much. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And remember about my giveaway when I hit 3,000 subscribers, so check that out in the link in the description, and also my eBay account, so you can buy any of this stuff that you are interested in if you want a good deal on it. And tell me in the comments below if you liked this mystery box type opening stuff. I may do a lot more of this stuff in the future. But as always, thank you guys for watching.